Hello friends, I'm Alicia from Dell Exclusive Store Riva. Today we are going to discuss about 7000 series 7400. So let's get started. First of all, here it is the 7000 series 7400 model. I'm going to show you first of all the stunning display about this laptop. Here, as we can see, this is the QHD plus resolutions. It comes with IPS, anti-glare, Dolby Vision, TUV, iSafe eye technology with 300 nits display and 100% sRGB. It also have a thoughtful premium design look. As you can see, this is the top cover made up of aluminium. This palm rest made up of aluminium, and this bottom made up of magnesium alloy. So this laptop gives us a strength as well as the look and the premium look it comes with. Now this laptop also contains a Thunderbolt 4 port with Type C. This laptop is ready to use. As you had seen in this laptop, first of all we are going to shut down this laptop. As you can see, this laptop, once we had opened this laptop, see this, I had just opened a lid of this laptop, haven't touched any of the buttons or anything. I haven't touched. This laptop is going to open it immediately. I hope it is very visible to you all. This is an open lid sensor. This technology is known as open lid sensor. We don't need to put any button or anything. We don't need to switch it on. This laptop will take very less time to open it. It will be quickly responsive, and with fingerprint also this laptop is going to open. We don't really have to wait for a long time. Now we will talk about I had used a term known as safe technology, iSafe technology. iSafe technology is in this laptop reduces the blue light, so our eyes will not going to affect. We are not having to face any strain or pain in our eyes. Now this laptop also contains adaptive thermal, as we are going to not feel any the heat on our lap or if you are using it on bed. This is the adaptive thermal sensor which is going to detect in which surface you are using a laptop. If there is a lap or if there is a bed, then they are not going to feel any kind of heat. This is known as adaptive thermal. Now the next important feature of this laptop is we are going to get an express charging, where we can use this laptop. This laptop is going to charge in 80% in just 60 minutes, as well as 30% in 30 minutes we are going to get a 4 hours backup, as well as we don't require any charger with us. We can use this laptop for a full day without charger. So at a time of office work, we can do it without carrying a charger. This laptop is very sleek, very strength, and look wise also it is very beautiful, and this laptop gives us a premium look. Now it also contains a dual SSD. Dual storage. It also helps to keep us 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD. It also helps us to boot it very fast. As you had seen, we had opened this laptop, it will boot very fast, as well as safer, and access all the application in a very quick response time. So now we will see some features as well as benefits of this laptop. Some features are like it also have QHD display, as it gives us outstanding display with a clear image, constant image with a color accuracy will be 100%. Four-sided narrow borders are there. When we have a four-sided narrow borders, we get the bigger screen in our smaller laptop. we are going to get this NVIDIA graphics, so we can get a nice picture quality and we can do many more things in the graphics, editing, video editings, animations or anything. We can use it in this laptop. Now we can see this laptop with competitive brand. As we know that there is in HP there is a NV series which is exactly there is a comparison between HP NV series and with the 7000 series. We have some points which we are above than this laptop than HP segment. So let's see that also. First term, I am talking about the HP NV series laptop. There is 3-sided narrow borders in HP, and in ours Dell Inspiron 7400 there are 4-side narrow borders. So we are going to get stay from focus and thin and stylish laptop comparatively than HP. So our laptop is more wider. We can use it in a big screen. We are able to see in big screen, and in a stylish bezels we are able to see. Second point, there is design. I'm talking about HP, that size is 13.3. In Dell, we are going to get 14.5 display. So in 14.5, we are going to get our screen size is very big. Then and we are going to see each and every picture or movies at very vast. We don't need to scroll up and down in our 4-sided narrow borders. In HP we need to do it so because the size is very small. Third point we are taking from that HP display. In HP display, HP is providing full HD, and what we are providing is QHD. So in QHD we can enjoy our movies or our favorite songs in a very outstanding performance way. Now, for fourth point is processor. As we see in HP, there are 10th generation. Now the processor is 10th generation Core i5 and i7. In our Dell Inspiron 7400, we are getting 11th generation Tiger Lake. Either it is i5 or i7. So here we are getting this latest version of the processor, and it also provides us a better battery life. Fifth point, we are going to discuss about the HP segment. There is graphics. In HP, in 10th generation Comet Lake processor, they are providing us ultra UHD graphics, and in our 11th generation Tiger Lake processor, we are providing Intel Iris graphics. So this is one of the most advantage of the laptop, that we don't need an NVIDIA graphics extra. If the laptop don't have an NVIDIA, then Intel Iris graphics is exactly equivalent to 2 GB of NVIDIA MX110. So the customer or the user can do anything without any distortion. Like he need to do any graphical work also very easily. So this is the most important benefit of Intel Iris Xe graphics. Now coming to the next point, then we will talk about a RAM in HP and in Dell. First of all, we will talk about HP. It also provide RAM provides us 2666 MHz in HP, and in Dell, Dell provides us 4267 MHz LPDDR4, which gives us a fast application running, quick application run in the Dell. It is also a LPDDR4, and it also comes with 8 GB and 16 GB of variant. So both the variants are available on Dell. Now coming to the camera point, in camera HP is providing HD webcam, and the Dell is providing 2.7 mm noise reduction camera, and in which we can enjoy benefits of this laptop is we can enjoy our video calling or any conference call without any grains. Now another point we are going to take about a sound. There is nothing for a sound they had did on HP, but Dell we had used up-filling sound. As you can see here, this is up-filling sound is provided in this laptop. So there is get a clear sound, loud sound, and an immense immersive sound quality we are going to get in Dell 7400 laptop. here both the sounds are coming, so sound quality will be the good. We are going to get a voice sound in very beautiful manner. Now input output ports, we are going to talk about a HP. HP is providing type A and type C. Dell is providing Thunderbolt port and Thunderbolt port 4 and HDMI 2.0. So here we are going to enjoy a more bigger screen. We are going to get a more bigger screen on Dell, as Dell had given us a Thunderbolt 4 port as well as HDMI 2.0 port. Now we are coming out talking about the battery life of both this laptop. In HP we are getting 3-cell battery backup. In Dell we are getting 4-cell battery. So as in Dell we don't need to carry a charger with us. It will give us a battery backup of for a whole day. So we don't need to carry another heavy battery backup, battery charger. We just take our laptop and carry anywhere wherever we want. Another talking point is 16 point. We will talk about the dimensions. Another talking point is dimension. Dimension is in HP we are going to get 16.9 mm, and their weight will be also 1.3 kg. And in Dell we are going to get a 16.75 mm, and the body laptop weight will be going to around 1.29 kg. So this laptop is lighter than a HP, and here we can go easily with this laptop. We don't have a bulky experience in our shoulders. So this is the laptop. Now one of the most important, the last point I'm going to talk about this comparison is warranty. So in HP we had seen that HP always used to give the limited warranty offer, and in Dell we used to get premium support. In the premium support we don't have to get worry about failure and the breakage. So this is all about 7400. I hope this will be the best laptop for you. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening.